Francesco, what a beautiful kitchen today.
Amazing, you're lucky. Look at this.
In Pennant with Cadaritris in the background.
Fantastic, I mean, it's beautiful way out here. I mean, you know, I've been up there today.
Yeah, I've heard you've been on a tour with Ken and Lisa.
Yeah, amazing people, by the way.
The lambs live an amazing life here.
Yeah,
mountain
they're
lambs.
very lucky, yeah.
And look what I got here, a cut of the leg.
Wow.
Of one of these mountain lambs up here.
I'm lucky too then. What are you gonna do with this?
Sizzle, sizzle on the barbecue and make a little charred salsa and some flatbread.
Sounds good to me, man.
We'll start with a salsa. Shallots in the fire, lemon in the fire, garlic in the fire, drop your shopping in the fire, peppers, chilies.
I like the way you're doing it.
It's easy. The mint too. Mint on.
Really? Oh, wow. I never see that.
Give it a little bit of oil on the mint. And I love charring my veg for the salsa, you know, just this gives another dimension to it.
Of course, yeah.
Peppers looking ready. Get the grill on. So, lamb leg steak.
Look at that color of that meat.
And I'm just seasoning this very, very simply. Bit of anchovy oil.
Love anchovy oil.
And just a little salt. Anchovy oil is quite salty.
Salt as well, yeah.
And let's go. Fat side down. Ready for the sizzle, sizzle.
Yes, I'm ready for it. Oh, mamma mia. Do you think that would be enough for two?
I'm going in with some butter, bit of herbs. Just going to melt the butter.
And then you're just going to brush on top, really, with that.
Yeah, have a squeeze there, I think, with that.
Wow.
So, I think we need to rest this for about 10 minutes. Bit of foil. So whilst that resting, let's do the salsa.
Yeah.
Again, very simple, very rustic.
I like rustic. Love the smoky smell of it.
Chilies, do you like a bit of kick?
I love a bit of kick.
Onions, squeeze out. Garlic.
Yeah, that's clever, I'd say. This is very clever, I'd say.
Bit of freshness with the parsley.
Sure.
Lemon. Oh.
Look at that.
Sea salt. A little bit of chili flakes.
Absolutely. It's a beautiful kick.
Some virgin olive oil. A bit of apple cider vinegar. So I'm just going to get in there with my hands.
Yes. That's the way.
And that's it, really simple.
Wow.
Messy salsa.
It's not messy, it looks sexy to me, man. Well done.
Thank you, chef. Salsa done. Gotta have a bit of bread, yeah?
Yeah, we do the bread, yeah.
Bit of bread.
How do you make flatbread?
So it's just 4 ingredients: water, salt, yeast, 0-0. Rustic, doesn't have to be a perfect circle. And on the fire. Easy.
He looks a heart shape there.
Yeah, because I love you. I love you.
Oh, I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. I will love you even more after this.
So bread ready, Francesco?
Bellissimo.
A bit of lamb fat trimmings from the leg.
Why not?
So,
woo!
we're just gonna.
Wow. Extra flavor, right?
Extra flavor, flame basting, baby. This is Welsh mountain lamb butter.
Welsh mountain lamb butter. Wow. Oh, look at that.
Salsa in the middle, chef. There you have it. Welsh mountain lamb, leg steak.
Wow.
And never waste this liquid gold from the resting juices.
Gold. Wow.
Make love,
Pride
make
in
love. And I know Ken and Lisa have been watching.
Yes, they're bringing the wine as well. Oh
That's
my
yours.
God.
Cheers.
Oh.
Cheers, Chris.
Diolch o'r iawn.
Wow, fantastic.
She doesn't miss a batch. She pours the wine. No problem.
Iechyd
Yaketa. Salute.
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 Well, this is your amazing mountain lamb, so do you want to grab a bara? Lamb, salsa.
Diolch.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Messy eating.
I'll do one, don't worry. I'll do it. Wow.
That's good.
That's lovely. So for a matter of interest, your cooking down in London compared to this cooking of lamb?
This is much better.
Oh, is it?
No.
100 times better, much better. It's different because it smells of charcoal, there's a salsa. It's what you want on this, with friends and with you guys. Yeah. With a nice glass of red as well.
Yeah.
You know? Thank you for having me here, guys. It's been a real treat. Thank you, guys. Yeah. I'll come back, but you come back to London. We come and see me in London as well. Salute.
Salute.
Salute.